This trip that the Cherokee Nation provided us was a 3-day trip, and it was magnificent. And we saw all the sights. Vietnam War was especially. Oh, it was quite a big deal to me because I had 7 kids that got killed in Vietnam War over there that were my students at Spalding High School. But any time they asked me, I climb on the soapbox and tell them what a great country and what great veterans we have.
This Veterans Day is one that we continue to honor those folks that served in our United States military. If you see a veteran, thank them for their service. It doesn't take anything, just thank them, because they paid a price to preserve our way of life, our liberty, and the right to pursue our happiness.